Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you make your MSI monitor's colors more vibrant. So here's a guide for your saturation, color temp, as well as how can you do it on your gaming mode. Step 1. Increase your color saturation. Press the menu or navigate button on the monitor. Go to image or professional settings. Increase saturation or choose a more vibrant color mode such as gaming, user, or movie. Step 2. Adjust brightness and contrast. Open the image menu, set the brightness to around 50 to 70, set contrast to around 70 to 80, fine tune based on your room lighting. Step 3. Change the color temperature. Go to color temperature, select warm for richer colors or customize to adjust RGB levels manually. Avoid overlay of cool settings if colors look washed out. Step 4. Enable your HDR if it supports. Turn on HDR in Windows and on the monitor. Use HDR compatible games and videos for more vivid colors. Step 5. Update GPU color settings. For NVIDIA, you can open your NVIDIA control panel, select Adjust desktop color settings, and increase digital vibrance. For AMD, open your AMD software, select display, and increase your color saturation. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.